yes, good morning, beautiful sunshine, angel pies. What's up, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and happy Kylie Jenner's birthday. Okay, so I know it's not like a national holiday or anything, but honestly, when I woke up to these pictures, ooh, let me tell you, I was certainly observing the festivities. Like, oh, look at that. So good, so good. And since you guys know I love making celebrity looks for less, of course I couldn't resist but to make a video trying to recreate Kylie's birthday sleigh. So today we're gonna head downtown and see what kind of goodies we can grab to see if we can mimic Miss Kylie's fantabulous look. So without further ado, here we go. Recreating Kylie Jenner's 21st birthday look, of course. Woo! Alrighty, our outfit of the day today looks like a jazzercise look if we were wearing denim to our exercise class. We are rocking all vintage denim today, except it's not actually vintage. The only thing that is this jacket. It's my mom's from the 80s. So cool. Went ahead and matched it with these jeans I got literally at Target the other day, and a very barely there top from Pretty Little Thing. For the kicks, we've got our aerobics looking Chanel sneakers. Ooh, I just frickin' love these so much. Did you like the dance? Yep, you're welcome. And since this is a Kylie themed birthday video, I thought I'd whip out the wicked long ponytail just like she had, so there we go. Grab some sunnies, our purse, and that's it. We are ready to go Kylie Jenner style. Ooh. Da-na-na-na-na. I'm in a great dancing mood today. I don't know why. All right, on we go. Okay, so first things first, we need to get a base, so we're gonna hit up Macy's. So here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, well, fancy seeing you here, Kimberly. Oh, hey guys, this is hilarious. Okay, anyways, alrighty, here we go, the underwear section. So we got to get a good, oh, what a beautiful dog. Okay, so this is the kind of stuff I think is gonna be perfect. I don't know why I'm doing that, okay. Maybe one of these. I don't know, maybe this too. This literally already looks like Yeezy Season 3, but hey. Macy's Spanx underwear, AKA Yeezy Season 3. Woo, alrighty. I think we got the goods, so now we're gonna go visit Betty. Bye girl, see you later. Dun 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 dun. You're on the phone, Benjamin. Who am I supposed to talk to you? Oh, it's just so beautiful in here. What are we going to use? Back to the humming again. I guess I just hum a lot and I just never realized it. So, anyways, okay. We could use some ginormous crystals. I don't know. This won't work, but it's beautiful. So many options. I love this store. What are we gonna use, kids? So Benny, you got some crystals for me today?
Yes.
Oh wow.
The shiny version.
Perfecto.
Bling.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Do you have anything to say to the people?
I love them all. I love all your fans when they come here. They're always very nice to me. Good. This weighs 1,000,000 pounds. Benjamin. Thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye, Dig.
All right, now off to get crystalling. I'm so excited for this project. It is like 10 million degrees outside in Los Angeles, by the way, and I am wearing long sleeve pants. What? All pants are long sleeve if you want to get technical, but anyways, okay, so are you ready for the haul? Here it is. Alrighty, so what we ended up getting for the project was this little corset top and these little matching like nude underwear pant things. I also got some zippers to add to them so I wouldn't have to, you know, squish into them every time. So we'll see if that works. I don't really know how to apply a zipper, but we'll see. And then of course, woo! Oh my God, it's beautiful. We got this giant roll of sparkly shimmeries. So we'll see what we can do with that. And that's what we got for this project. So well, fingers crossed. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna wanna take the top and we're gonna kinda wanna make it look like Kylie's with the zipper in the back. So I went ahead and bought the zippers. So I'm just gonna cut the back of the corset open. I know, I lost my scissors. I don't know where they are, so I'm using my garden cutters, but you know, whatever. Then I just went ahead and used good old regular needle and thread and stitched the zipper onto both sides, so then you can see we're gonna be able to go ahead and zip it up easily on my back. So we'll put that aside, and now we're going to glitter it. So we're gonna take the sheets of crystal, and you can see we're just gonna lay that on the top like this. And then again, back to needle and thread, over, under, until it is all attached. Ta-da! We're gonna go ahead and wanna cut the little extra white fabric off, so you can just snip that with some scissors. I found them, by the way. Now that it looks groovy, we're gonna go ahead and add the next sheet, trim the white excess off of that too, super easy, and then lay that down right underneath it, and then you can see the 2 sheets of crystal. We're going to actually sew those together to kind of create one giant panel. So again, back to the needle and thread, over, under, and we are just stitching those together until it looks like one big piece. And voila! It does. You can see I left room on the bottom for the pants and room under the armpit so it doesn't scratch me, but you can see when it's on, ooh, it looks frickin' McFabulous. Alrighty, now to the pants. So, let me just tell you, the pants actually ended up being a big debacle because I failed to realize the pants were stretchy and the crystals were not. So when I sewed them all on, I was then unable to get them on my body. So I ended up trying something else. So I went ahead and grabbed these shorts I had in my closet and tried to stitch them onto that, but then I had even more issues. So after trying shorts twice, I decided that was canceled and we were just going to make a skirt. So I ended up ripping the money off my money skirt. I already took a picture on Instagram, so it's not like I can really wear it again anyway. So I just took the row of crystals and put one band on the top, and then you can see I went ahead and cut a bunch of smaller bands and laid those down in sort of like panels across the bottom. Then again, classic needle and thread. Went ahead and stitched the top band on first, so you can see it kind of looks like that. And then we're gonna want to ahead and do the panel parts. So again, trim the excess off of those and cut them down to size. And then underneath the band, I went ahead and stitched those down. And then I went ahead and stitched the sides together, again, to kind of make it look like one big panel. So needle and thread, again, over, under, until all of the panels are sewn together, and you can see it eventually looks like this. Ah, I love it! The next labor of love, I thought it would be a good idea to try and make Kylie's little circly purse, so I got this on Amazon. Free same-day shipping, it came in like an hour. So I went ahead and took the extra crystals and I just placed that around the ball. So you can see I'm just gonna actually go ahead and sew that on too. So over, under, through the chains of the purse, and E6000 glue it a little bit to make it all stay till the whole thing is covered. And dun da da da, ta-da, 500,000 billion years later, you can see we have the finished product. So now we're gonna try it on and see if it looks as good on me as it does laying on the floor. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it does. Ooh, 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 we are so sparkly and blonde. Ta-da! Alrighty, so this is definitely a very, very loose interpretation of Kylie's outfit because it actually doesn't really look anything like it, actually. We do have the shoes in the round bag to match. I got these on Amazon Prime. Look at that. Basically identical to Kylie's. They're even made of the same faux suede. How cool. I'll admit, up close it looks a little crotchety, but you know, I'm not a professional. Clearly. Not to mention, I totally don't know how to put on a wig properly. You can literally see the cap. There's no disco ball at this party? No worries, I brought my own. Glitter 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go Travis, go Stormy, go Kylie, it's your birthday. It actually is. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now it looks more like hers. Actually, no, it doesn't. It just looks like I'm wearing a weird diaper. A glittery diaper. So it's fashion. Blonde hair flip, ooh. So we may not really look much like Kylie and definitely took a very loose interpretation of the look, but I would say for what we did, we look pretty damn cute. If I do say so myself. Ooh. Yes. So there you have it, you guys. That was me attempting to recreate Miss Kylie Jenner's birthday look. Kind of a fail, but it really looks more like as if that Gucci jumpsuit and Kylie's dress had a love child. But you know, I tried. I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway, because I had fun making it, and you know, now I have a sparkly Kylie inspired birthday outfit for my own birthday, which is tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna wear this blonde wig though, because it's like literally coming out. It looks so, this looks so bad. I should just take it off, but then I'm gonna have like wig head. Oh, yep, no, we're gonna put that back. And now it looks worse, but anyways, I love you guys so much. If you want to see more mishaps of me in a wig and me recreating stuff, but usually doing a better job, please subscribe to the channel, and all my socials are at Amber Scholl. Any questions, comments, concerns? I love you guys so very much. Thank you for watching. Before my wig falls off, I'm gonna sign off. So kisses. Till next time, my sweet, beautiful, fabulously sparkly baby angels. XO. It's like George Washington, but Kylie Jenner inspired. Ooh, actually, this is a look. How is this low-key a good selfie? I'm like holding the wig cap in my hand. Goodbye, guys. You see the mess in the background? My God, I really gotta go.